Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today's wig is brought to you by HairSoFlyShop. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig, also their direct store. So the brand of this wig that I have today is Sensational. I have one of their What Lace wig line wigs. I have her in the style Morgan in the color FLMBYGWINE. On the inside of the wig, you get a lot of parting space. You get a 13x6 lace frontal. Behind that 13x6 lace frontal, you get two combs close to the temple. You also get another comb in the back with adjustable straps. And the lace on this wig is Swiss lace. So the hairline on this wig comes pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck it at all. And one great thing about this wig, with the frontal, when you part it, it actually stays down compared to other like synthetic lace frontals. Sometimes you got to go in with heat, or you have to like spray it with water just to get it nice and flat, or to lay in the direction you want. But you just part it and it just lays. Like, come on. So now I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb and combing out the wig to my liking. On the hairline, this wig comes with baby hairs, but I'm just cutting down the baby hairs because they're just a little too long for me. Off camera, I went ahead and cut the lace, and underneath the lace, I only applied my powder to the hairline and also to the parting, because that's the only part I will be using with this wig. Is kind of a waste putting my powder everywhere. So to keep the wig in place, I'm also going to wear my black wig grip. I got this wig grip from my local beauty supply store. Now it's time to go in and put it on. To be honest, with the What Lace wig line by Sensational, I feel like this wig line is perfect for beginners. The hair on this wig doesn't really last that long, but with the proper care, you could actually get a lot of wears out of it. But it's just perfect, especially for on the go. So if there's like a certain place you're going and you want like this style, but you want like the perfect style, especially for like that one night to look really fire, I totally recommend this wig line. And then after that, you could keep wearing it until the wig rolled out, like ride it till the wheels fall off. Right here is pretty much my end results, and it is so cute. The texture of this wig is like a light coarse texture, but it's still on the silky side. This wig also has a light shine to it. I really like the shine. As for the hairline, the hairline comes pre-plucked. I did not pluck a thing, you guys. Like, whoever plucked this wig gotta teach me how to pluck too, because they did a great job with that forehead. Like, look at it. Come on. And the wig comes pre-styled for you, so all I had to do was apply my powder and cut the lace. Wow. The length of this wig on me, I would say, is about 16 to 18 inches, and my height is 5'6". This wig is so gorgeous. I already knew it was gonna be gorgeous anyway. It's not the color I wanted, but it's still freaking so cute. So I got this wig again because a lot of you guys was complaining about the Morgan you got, how the Morgan you brought doesn't look the same as the Morgan I got. So I was like, I love Morgan so much. Let me go ahead and get another color. The coloring is cute. It got a little hint of burgundy. The burgundy is not too dark, not too light. Like, it's just a little peekaboo. And yeah, and then you have your dark black on the top. Like, it's so cute. Gorgeous for every day. Then the hairline, don't get me started on the hairline. Every time I talk about the What Lace wig line and I show the hairline, like I just be so happy because it's plucked so perfectly and it looks so natural. When I was doing this, I got a few snags here and there, but nothing too hectic. After I got the snags out, my fingers is running through. I'm surprised because Morgan actually lasted a while when I had it. So it's certain things you have to do to like make it last a while. Number one, you cannot be sleeping in this wig and expect it to last like more than a week. Like if you're sleeping in this wig, then stop. Stop if you're interested in this wig, or else it's really not gonna last long. Also, when you get it, like, there's no need to be flashing everywhere like, yeah, there's no need to be flashing it everywhere. When you get it, just try to keep it like steady. I'm not saying keep your neck steady, like, you call me? Yeah, like stuff like that. I'm not saying keep your neck steady, but don't just be flashing it everywhere, because that also like makes the hair get stiff and all that. And that's the only like advice I have for you. I'm gonna be wearing this wig, and I had like Morgan before and I revamped it, and a lot of you guys are like, oh my god, do a video on how you revamped it. So I'm gonna start wearing this, and whenever this starts to get old, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to revamp it, because when I revamped it, you guys going crazy. I don't know, I do feel like there's something a little different about this Morgan than the other Morgan I had. I don't know if it's the length. I felt like the length was just a little longer. So I found the clip of Morgan that I have, and I do see a huge difference. The other Morgan I had was in a color 4, and it was way thicker and just had more layers. It was just way thicker. It looks so nice. So I'm definitely going to aim to get a number 4 later on in life, and whenever I do, I report back to you guys on how that went. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys.